Hello guys, want to take a moment to give an installation video on this little puppy right here. I refer to it as my modified module. The reason why I say modified is because the circuit board originally had a different purpose and I had to modify it for this purpose here. And what is that purpose? Well, the purpose is to switch negative triggers into positive triggers. Now, the reason why that's important is here I got an Ideegeniali voice box. It emits negative triggers to its countdown, but I have a Billy Gunter's countdown that I'll be using on my personal car, and other people have as well with the Night Designs dash when they did have one. And this requires positive triggers. So this little module right here, I used some transistors. It's called actually transistor switching. And so you take all these wires, the 4 wires, the 1, 2, 3, 4 for the count up. They go into the input here, and then it literally says bar 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's light 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the outside here, you have out bar 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, that's bar 1, 2, 3, and then 4. The only thing it requires is a positive. Now this positive would be the same positive that powers your voice box. Okay, so whatever wire you're using to power your voice box would be the same one. In this case, it's my main module. This is version 3, but that's a different video. So let me show you a picture of what the circuit board looks both here and on this side. Now that you see what it looks like and you have clear understanding, it does say right here, from car. In this case, it's going to be from voice box. And here it says, right here it says 2 dash. In this case, it's 2, the countdown. So how does this work? After everything's hooked up, it allows for a positive countdown to work with a negative countdown. Let me show you. As you can see, it works perfectly. Everything's lit up. Look, no problem. Again. Now let me show you a video clip that a customer sent me of what it looks like when you try without using my modified module to hook up a positive countdown to a negative triggered voice box. Yeah, you saw lights come on first and then they go off in reverse order. So that's what actually prompted me to build this right here, was for that customer who sent me the video. Thank you. The only other thing to know is that since this is positive trigger, so all these are positives, and then of course you have one ground, one negative. In this case, it's going to the ground of my main module, but it can be any ground that you're using within your dash, the ground from the voice box to your dash electronics, whatever it can be. A ground is a ground. All right, guys, if you have any questions, leave me comments below, and if you have any other thing, let me know. Thanks for watching.